Welcome back to Tornation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with my Sephora Play Smarts.
And I'm here with the Ipsy from September that I just got in October.
At least I think this is Play Smarts, but I think
it's mine. Let's start with mine.
Go ahead.
So you guys have all seen this already. I already looked inside of it because usually Ipsy I honestly typically hate. But I was excited by what they were giving me, and I thought actually maybe I would keep getting Ipsy. This one should have been free because they keep sending me a sign up for a bag free and blah blah blah, and I think it's too late to cancel. So I'm pretty sure they're going to charge me for October, but as I said, I just got September's. This is Mark Anthony's True Professional Bye Bye Frizz Damage Repair Miracle Treatment. I think most of the things I got, my sister didn't get. So that's what I was like.
That's a good thing, I think.
And they didn't give me any eyeliner, and that's the thing I didn't want. Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and Moisturizer in one. I have a lot of primers, so this could probably go in the giveaway, except that it's got the moisturizing thing, so I don't know. Hopefully I held that up enough. I don't know if I'd want to get to go in the giveaway because of that. And you guys have already seen the card a gazillion times. But did I open this? Oh, I did open this. This is Trust Fun Beauty. I didn't know what it was at first, so it's so heavy. I was like, oh, it has to be a polish. And it is a polish, isn't it?
I don't know what it is.
It's pretty. Like, I was just thinking I would like to have more reds and stuff. So, and it's the 10 free. So yeah, so not a lot of harsh chemicals or whatever in that. So I was like, wow. Now the only thing I don't know why they give me is this. It's Noya's a simple and awesome organic peppermint lip balm. But if I remember to keep these in the bathroom and then after like washing my face or scrub my face, like if I use one of these, then that would probably come in handy. Instead I have like pink ones that make your lips pink, but they have like good stuff. So it's weird. But I did get this Trestique mini lip glaze. I was gonna put it on and barely have like lipstick on anymore, so I just thought real quick have a Peralta trusty.
Do you want me to
MAC mirror with me? Sure.
Okay, so yeah, so this is Play by Sephora Play Smart Superfood. So I think it's the second one. I want to say it's the second one for Superfood, I think. And of course, you know, I get little samples that come with what I buy from them. But anyway, so I don't think I have anything in there besides this. Yeah. So this is what the box looks like as far as the outside box. What's on the inside is what counts. Let me see. I have to open this too.
What do you think? It's really shiny. So that's what that color ends up looking like. I know I had a little bit of red liner on, but that's the rest of it.
And so this bag is definitely similar to the last bag. I have it right over there.
Like burlap.
If anyone thinks I should grab it, but it's cute because I think it's magnetic closure. I can't even speak today. I'm so anyway, magnetic closure. But anyway, it's about the stuff that's inside. So do you want to do the thing where you read like something off of the card that goes along with whatever I pull out?
Sure.
And as always, you get like your 50 points with purchase, as far as I know, with these boxes, any of these boxes. So I don't know what order they're going to be, what I pull out. Okay.
So I'm going to go by what you know, right?
And this is the one, too, where you watch on YouTube. You can watch live while they explain the products and go over them and things like that. But even if you miss it live, you can still go back and watch it again. Or even if you saw it live and you want to watch it again, you can. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is, how do you pronounce that? Rahua Voluminous Conditioner for Body and Bounce. Rainforest Grown. So that's the first thing I am pulling out.
Volumizing shampoo and conditioner duo that increases hair's body and bounce without drying out strands. So there must be another one if she's got one.
I was like, if there's that, then yep, there's the shampoo. So the shampoo
morning and night, or
conditioner.
anytime your strands need some love, you can use it. And this is leather shampoo, rinse and repeat with conditioner.
Ooh, and it says certified organic, or made with certified organic ingredients. So that's good.
She likes that.
Okay. The next thing I'm pulling out, let's see. It is Kale plus green tea, spinach, vitamins, age prevention cleanser. Youth to the people.
It's a gentle antioxidant rich gel cleanser that combats pollution, reduces redness, and removes makeup without stripping skin's moisture. See, I would love that to reduce redness, but I don't think anything severely like reduces it.
But I don't think
I feel like only foundation reduces redness for me, or like CC cream that covers all my red.
Okay, and then go to very useful face cream. Go to skincare.com.
It's a free radical fighting daily moisturizer that protects skin from the visible signs of premature aging using a lightweight ultra hydrating formula. Well, that's good.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. I know, so far I'm like jealous of all this stuff.
And these boxes are $20 as far as I know. But okay, next thing I'm pulling out is Bite Beauty, right? an eclair.
It sounds good. I wonder if it smells like
I
anything.
don't know if it's...
A creamy liquid lipstick and a soft rose shade and satin finish that nurtures lips with an innovative formula.
Okay. Because I was
It's
like...
a liquid lipstick. That's
yeah.
cool. Yay.
I was like, I didn't know what it was by looking at it. So
As I said, I'm not over liquid lipsticks. If they're the things that don't smear everywhere, that's what I want to wear from now on.
And then...
Hum Nutrition. Tangerine flavored vegan gummies that help keep moisture locked in skin and support collagen production for a glowing complexion. I wonder if they use... Can I see if they use tapioca or if they actually use gelatin? Because you don't want gelatin. Does it say? Does it say? Because my coworker showed me something with with gelatin, how it was like all fish bones, like in a it was like a warehouse. It was gross to look at, and so does it say without parabens, sulfates, phthalates, gluten? I don't
we
know
can
how
keep
to say-
checking into this later, though.
Yeah, I want to know. I'm just curious.
But I mean, I knew that that's what gelatin is.
No, I know. I'm just saying,
I
like, I
already
hope
knew
it
that.
wouldn't be. They're like, here, eat fish bones. But you only got one more, right?
Yeah, so the last one is Herbivore. Am I saying that right?
Herbivore?
Herbivore. Pink Cloud Rosewater Moisture Cream.
This is it's a lightweight moisturizer that melts into skin, reducing the appearance of redness and irritation for a dewy, smooth complexion. It's funny because you got two things for redness, so.
Oh, that's good. Because
Yeah,
I mean,
was like, because we're really red.
I know. I'm like,
You can kind of see yours a little bit.
and I got this box like 2 days ago, I think. But we're just
And I got mine like
we
2
work
days
full
ago.
time plus all the other stuff we do, and so
My Allure September has still not come in yet, so I don't know what's going on with that. At least she got hers, but mine, I'll probably film with, well, if it's all the same things as hers, I won't film it, but if it's anything different for some reason, I will show you guys what I got. But that was it for this video. We decided to do 2 as 1. Let us know what you think and why everything comes to me so late. I have no idea. Let us know what you think why that is. But thanks for joining us again. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of our future giveaways. We want to do one very soon. Thank you so much.
take care.
Bye.